Hey everyone! Starting a fitness journey can feel overwhelming, especially if you're out of shape or haven't worked out in a while. But I promise it's possible. And today I'll be guiding you through exactly how to get started with practical, simple steps that you can follow. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan for starting your fitness journey, no matter where you're starting from. Let's dive in. Before we even start moving, we need to get our mindset right. One of the biggest barriers to working out when you're out of shape is intimidation. You may think you need to be fit before going to the gym, but that's just not true. Fitness is for everyone, no matter where you're starting from. Focus on the idea of progress, not perfection, and remember to celebrate small victories along the way. The best way to ease into a fitness routine is to start with low-impact exercises that won't strain your body too much. Walking is perfect to start with. A daily 10 to 15-minute walk can do wonders, especially if you're coming from a very sedentary lifestyle. Once walking feels comfortable, gradually increase your time or try adding light stretches. This helps build a foundation without overwhelming you. When you're new to exercise, consistency is key, but don't feel like you need to jump in with hour-long workouts. Start by planning 2 to 3 days a week of short workouts. You could do 15 to 20 minutes of a mix between bodyweight exercises like squats, knee push-ups, and gentle core exercises. Here's a quick sample routine you can start with. Day 1, 10 squats, 10 knee push-ups, 15 seconds of plank, repeat 2 to 3 times. Day 2, 15 to 20-minute brisk walk. Day 3, simple stretching or light yoga. Segment 4. Listen to your body. One of the most important things to remember when you're starting out is to listen to your body. If something feels painful, don't push through it. There's a difference between good soreness and actual pain. It's okay to take rest days. Your body needs time to adjust and recover. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to track your progress. It could be as simple as writing down your workouts, or even noticing improvements in your energy levels, mood, or stamina. Celebrate these small wins. Tracking doesn't have to be complicated. A simple notebook or a fitness app can work wonders. Setting smaller, achievable goals can help you stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. For example, aim to walk 3 times a week or complete 2 short workouts. As these become habits, gradually increase your goal by adding another workout or increasing intensity. After every workout, remember that recovery is just as important as the exercise itself. Stretch, stay hydrated, and make sure to get enough sleep. Treat yourself with kindness, especially as your body adapts. This process takes time, but recovery will make it so much more enjoyable. And there you have it. If you're feeling out of shape, remember that fitness is a journey. Don't rush it. Take small steps, be kind to yourself, and stay consistent. Every workout, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. You've got this. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.